All right, so we are quickly going to just do a little overview of what this lesson is going to look like. So we are on lesson 2. We are still going to be working on generating equivalent expressions, but this time we're going to focus a little more on how we would do that if we had subtraction or division. Last lesson we learned about multiplication and addition, and those made a lot of sense. But subtraction and addition and division have a little extra step that we have to do. So our learning target is I can explain how any order, any grouping can be applied to subtraction problems, also division. Okay, this is where this video is going to go. So our first section here is we're going to work on our additive inverses. We need to remember if we have a positive number, the opposite is negative. If we have a negative number, the opposite is going to be positive. So once you do that, and you're going to find all of the opposites, you're going to go through and make equations where you're adding the expression and its opposite to prove that it equals 0. So that's how you're going to fill out this table. Then you're going to go and watch another video, haven't made it yet, and do a practice, watch a video, do a practice, watch a video, do a practice. And then we have this difficult subject. So this is where we're going to try and figure out the inverse to division. And so there's a little extra step in here. So I have my given number here. So there's 4 of them. I already did 2 for you. And you're going to find the multiplicative inverse, also known as the reciprocal. So 3 over 1 is now 1 over 3. 5 is going to be what? X is now 1 over x. So what's 2x going to be? Once you find those reciprocals, you're going to prove that the product is 1. So here I took 3 and I multiplied it by its multiplicative inverse. So now I have 3 over 1 times 1 over 3, which equals 3 over 3, which simplifies to 1. I did the same thing down here. X times 1 over x, that's x over 1 times 1 over x, which gives you 1x over 1x, which simplifies to 1. And then I have a problem that you have here. So you have 65 divided by 5. Notice the 5 is your given number. Or 12x divided by 2x. 2x was your given number. So I had 5x divided by x when x was my given number. And I am changing that from a division problem to a multiplication problem with the inverse or the reciprocal. And then I solve to prove that my answer is still the same using the inverse instead. So that's what this lesson is going to look like. Then you'll give me a brief summary and you'll turn it in. So hopefully that will help you. And then we can move on.